Hello, good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and doing well in your houses. Today, we are going with a new chapter Sources of Food. Food. This term is very common but very important. Today, we will discuss about food, their sources, their function, etc. Now, if we come to the point food acts as fuel in our body. Our body will stop functioning if we skip a few meals for a day. We will most likely fall sick. We will not get the energy and we will not concentrate on anything. Hence, it is very important that we have food on time and in proper quantities. Not a term comes nutrients. What is nutrient? These are the chemical substances. Nutrients are the chemical substances in our food that contribute to our well-being in various ways. Now, what are the functions of food? There are various functions of food. A few major functions of food we will discuss here. Food gives us energy and strength and assist in our growth. Food helps us repair wear and tear in our body. Food protects us from various diseases and keeps us healthy. Now, the next topic is Indian cuisine. India is a diverse country with a variety of soil types and climatic conditions, leading to the production of different crops. Hence, different parts of India have their own characteristics cuisine. For example, butter chicken is one of the native dishes of the northern part of our country, while masala dosa is a unique dish from the southern part. Now, coming to the sources of food. Food can be procured from plants and animals. Most animals are dependent on plants for their food, whereas plants have the ability to make their own food. And the process by which plants make their own food is called photosynthesis. This is very important, photosynthesis. Here, photo means light and synthesis means to make own food. The process by which plants make their own food with the help of carbon dioxide and sunlight is called photosynthesis. Human beings are dependent on both plants and animals for their food. Now, the next topic is plant as a source of food. The root, stem, leaves, fruits, flowers, and seeds of specific plants are all edible. First, leaves. Cabbage, coriander, spinach leaf can be consumed as food by us. Now, stem. Sugar is obtained from the stems of sugarcane. Potato, ginger, etc. are few underground stems that we eat. Here, the important point is potato. Potato is not an underground root, it's underground stem. So, students, never confuse roots. Carrot, radish, beetroot are examples of fruit that can be consumed as food by us. Fourth one is fruit. Plants give us food in the form of fruit as well. For example, we eat fruits like apple, banana, etc. Seeds. Seeds from plants give us cereals, pulses, oil and spices. Cereals like wheat, rice, maize are seeds. We get spices from seeds like cumin, coriander, cardamom, pepper, etc. We use these spices in our kitchen. Seeds from sunflower and soybean give us vegetable oil. So that's all for today, students. Have a good